again, it's Andy of Andy Power YouTube Fishing. Thank you ever so much for tuning in and watching me. Today I'm down at Kilve on the Somerset coast. It's a very, very strong northwesterly wind. When I say very strong, it is very strong. The sea, the tide is really choppy. The colour of the water is like hot chocolate, I suppose is the right thing to say. I wouldn't want to drink it though. So I'm on some reefs, which you can see just behind me. Just see behind me the reefs. Very, very rocky platforms. And in the summer, this sort of place can throw up things like thornback rays, smooth hound, conger eels, all sorts of fish. This time of the year, most anglers go for things like cod. Obviously, we're all after cod. There's been some recent cod caught, some really good fish. I'm out there giving it a go. The weather's terrible. I say terrible, it's really windy. It's pretty hard. But as you can see, I've got every chance. So I'll keep you informed, keep you tuned, and hopefully we can get some fish. Thanks ever so much. I'll speak to you soon. There's a lot of weed out there. That tide really is pushing in now. Somebody looking for leads down there. Seagull. Be all quick as this. Well done, Stephen. Well done, Stephen. Put me straight in the boulders. Thanks, Stephen. So I got myself a lovely codling. It's about two pound-ish prime Bristol Channel codling. It took worm, quite simply it took ragworm and lugworm. Lovely lateral line on it, lovely markings, a prime codling for the Bristol Channel. Well pleased. It's chilly, but that was really worth it. lovely evening. I say evening, afternoon. It's only about 3 o'clock now, but look at that. Absolutely fantastic. Getting a bit chilly now as well. So that was the end of another 3-hour session. Fished Kilve Beach. It was hard going. I had one bite, one fish. The wind was northwest, up to probably 20-mile-an-hour gusts. But one bite, one fish, one codling. That was the target species, so really happy. Till the next time, thanks ever so much.